Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a docs in Miro. Do that, click the plus on the left hand side, and you want to go ahead and scroll down and you will find doc, or you can search for it at the top. Once you find doc, click on doc, and here you can go ahead and you can start working with docs. So here you can start writing whatever you want. As you can see, there's a response as well. And so you can write whatever you want, right? So you can write a response, whatever it is. I'm going to say research summary, hit send, and you can see right away that it starts, generate the documents for me. So you can use the power of AI, let's say, to start, create a document, and once it start, it's going to insert the document for you, the whole template for it, and it's going to create the full documents where you can start working with. And once that is done, you click on the doc, you can maximize the side or close the sidebar, and you will have your docs ready right here. And as you can see, the document is there, but before you're able to modify the document, ensure that you scroll to the top of the doc and you will find add to canvas. Once you click on that, it's going to add it into your canvas, and now the document is fully editable. So I can now write title or whatever it is, and yeah, you work with your documents, you change whatever you need, and once you're finished with the docs, you can simply click on it and you'll have the three dots on the right or on the upper left, or you can just simply right click on the document and you'll find export as PDF. You click on that and you will see that you're now able to export it as PDF. I'm going to just choose export right now, and you can see right away that I export it and I can open it up, and as you can see, I have my docs as PDF document. So that's it guys, that's how you can create a docs in Miro.